Greetings everyone, Jake Bernstein with the Precious Metals for 2Chimps.net. Recorded on the 10th of January, recording for the week beginning the 11th of January 2016. Want to wish everyone a Happy New Year. Let's take a look at the technical indicators, and that's the best way to assess the markets. Looking at the gold market, we finally have a buy trigger on the gold market on the moving average channel. That buy trigger, 2 bars above the top of the channel, daily chart, Williams above its moving average down to the bottom, buy trigger, conservative place to buy, bottom of the channel, 1076. You risk 2 times the width of the channel. We warned you, or advised you I should say, that silver had given a buy trigger. Let's take a look at that buy trigger on the silver market. And these are live prices. Just one moment please. Here's the silver. And the silver gave a momentum divergence buy. No moving average channel buy. If you're not long the silver, you could be long at the bottom of the channel, which is 1384 in the futures, or in the ETF SIL, which has given a momentum divergence buy trigger. And we are down at the bottom, came down to the bottom of the channel and back up again. So there should be support there. We're looking for a target considerably higher than this. We have triggered on the divergence. We have not triggered on the moving average channel as yet. So in terms of the metals, we're looking at copper as well. Now for the first time in a long time, copper has bullish divergence with very strong commercial buying, which has been going on for quite some time. So in the copper we have, let me remove the indicators here and put back the ones that are relevant. Here we go. As you can see, new low in price without a new low in momentum. Momentum low over here. Trigger point right over here, so be prepared for a bottom in the copper market. Nothing to do just yet, waiting. The same in Freeport-McMoRan, where we're waiting for buy triggers. And you've probably heard that Carl Icahn has a sizable position. He may be buying more. I'm not an authority on that, I don't know. But I will tell you this, it's a long-term trade. It's not something you're going to put on for the short term, although there may be a bounce. Notice the bullish divergence setup again, right over here. And if you're familiar with the divergence method, you're waiting for the trigger. We also like platinum and palladium for the longer term. In terms of precious metals, continue to watch the markets for significant bottoms. They have not happened yet, but they are close. We do have a short-term bottom which developed in gold, which I showed you. That does it for today. Thanks for coming. We want to wish you a Happy New Year and best of trading. Write me if you have any questions on what we've talked about today.